This is not a future story. It is happening inside businesses right now. Employees are being replaced by software agents. Not robots walking halls. Invisible AI running tasks non-stop. Why are companies choosing AI over people? Which jobs are changing first? How much money is actually saved? Who benefits most from this shift? And what opportunities does this create for you? Most headlines miss the real mechanics. This video explains the quiet replacement process. No hype, just business reality. Stay through the end for one overlooked advantage. AI agents are task-focused digital workers. They handle specific processes automatically. Think scheduling, support, analysis, and reporting. They do not need breaks. They do not get sick. They scale instantly. Businesses measure cost per task carefully. Human labor is expensive in the United States. Benefits, taxes, training, and turnover add up. AI agents reduce those variable costs. Companies start with repetitive workflows. Customer support is usually first. AI chat systems answer common questions. ChatGPT powers many internal assistants. These systems learn from company documents. Response time drops to seconds. Customer satisfaction often increases. Next comes operations and back office work. Invoice processing is a prime target. AI reads invoices automatically. Data enters accounting systems without humans. Error rates often fall. UiPath handles robotic process automation. It replaces manual copy-paste tasks. Finance teams become smaller. Remaining staff focus on exceptions. Sales teams are also changing. Lead scoring uses predictive AI. Salesforce Einstein analyzes customer behavior. Reps spend time closing, not researching. Marketing departments automate content testing. AI generates variations quickly. Results are measured in real time. Budgets shift toward software subscriptions. Hiring slows quietly. Roles are redefined instead. Companies rarely announce replacements. They frame changes as efficiency upgrades. Shareholders like improved margins. Executives like predictable output. AI agents work 24/7. Global competition pressures US companies. Automation becomes defensive strategy. Small businesses benefit even more. They access enterprise-level capability. Without enterprise-level headcount. Zapier connects apps automatically. One AI agent triggers many actions. Orders, emails, and updates sync. Founders run leaner teams. This changes hiring priorities. Strategic thinking becomes valuable. Routine execution becomes automated. Job titles evolve quietly. Analysts become AI supervisors. Managers monitor dashboards instead of people. Training budgets shift to tools. Implementation speed matters. Early adopters gain cost advantages. Late adopters struggle to catch up. This is not about eliminating humans entirely. It is about replacing specific functions. Businesses calculate return on automation. If savings exceed risk, they proceed. Compliance and oversight still need people, but fewer than before. This trend accelerates during economic uncertainty. Layoffs create urgency for automation. AI fills gaps quickly. No recruiting cycles needed. No onboarding delays. Data privacy remains a concern. Companies choose vendors carefully. Security certifications matter. US regulations influence deployment choices. Internal tools are adopted first. External customer tools follow later. AI agents improve with feedback loops. Performance data trains models continuously. Humans provide occasional corrections. Over time, intervention decreases. This creates compounding efficiency. Costs flatten while output grows. Margins expand. Investors notice. Valuations reflect automation maturity. Private equity pushes AI adoption. They optimize portfolio companies fast. Consultants package AI rollouts. Playbooks become standardized. Implementation timelines shrink. 6 months becomes 6 weeks. This impacts local job markets unevenly. Urban service roles feel pressure. Technical oversight roles grow. Education systems lag behind. Reskilling programs struggle to keep pace. Businesses move regardless. They follow competitive signals. AI agents do not demand raises. Budget planning becomes simpler. Forecasting accuracy improves. Decision cycles shorten. Executives act faster. This favors agile organizations. Legacy firms face friction. Cultural resistance slows adoption. Eventually, economics win. Vendors bundle AI into existing software. Users adopt without noticing. Automation hides inside updates. Manual steps quietly disappear. Employees notice workloads shifting. Some roles fade. New hybrid roles appear. Understanding systems becomes critical. This creates opportunity for builders. AI operators are in demand. Process designers shape workflows. Data quality specialists matter. Consulting niches open up. Small agencies implement AI for clients. Recurring revenue replaces hourly billing. Margins improve for service providers. Content production also changes. Pictory AI turns scripts into videos. Faceless channels scale faster. One person runs multiple channels. Distribution matters more than production. AI lowers creative barriers. Business models adapt quickly. Speed beats perfection. Those who experiment learn faster. Waiting increases risk. Understanding replacement patterns matters. You can position ahead of disruption. This is not career advice. It is market observation. Pay attention to workflows. Ask which steps repeat. Those steps are vulnerable. Look for AI alternatives. Test them in low-risk areas. Measure results honestly. Scale what works. Cut what does not. This mindset applies beyond jobs. It applies to businesses you start. Lean operations survive downturns. AI agents enable that. The tool's links are given in the description. Transparency matters. This channel tracks these shifts weekly. If this helped, consider subscribing. Turn on notifications for updates. We focus on practical advantages, not headlines. The next wave targets decision support. AI advises managers directly. Strategy becomes data-driven. Human judgment still matters, but it is augmented. Companies that adapt early lead. Others follow under pressure. Watching this trend is not enough. Understanding it creates leverage. Leverage creates options. Options create resilience. The workplace will keep changing. Quietly and quickly. AI agents will feel normal. Just like email once did. The transition phase creates opportunity. That phase is now. Next videos break specific use cases. From sales to operations. You will see real examples, practical setups, and clear risks. Subscribe to stay ahead. Enable the bell for weekly drops. Missing one video means missing context. Context matters in fast shifts. Thank you for watching closely. The future of work is being built. Line by line. Businesses optimize relentlessly. AI accelerates that instinct. Employee counts stop reflecting output. Revenue per employee rises. Boards track that metric closely. Automation reports enter boardrooms. Middle management structures thin out. Reporting becomes automated. Dashboards replace meetings. Time reallocates to execution. Customers expect instant responses. AI meets that expectation. Human teams alone cannot. Service hours expand without overtime. International expansion becomes easier. Language barriers drop. AI translates and localizes content. Support becomes global. Yet payroll stays local. This changes competitive landscapes. Local firms face global rivals. Speed and efficiency decide outcomes. AI agents tip that balance. Awareness is your first advantage. Skill alignment is the second. Tool fluency is the third. Combine all three deliberately. Observe how your industry automates. Do not ignore subtle changes. They compound over time. This channel decodes those signals. One system at a time. Expect deeper dives ahead, including implementation costs and failure cases. Realistic expectations matter. AI is a business tool, not a magic solution. Used well, it multiplies effort. Used poorly, it wastes money. Knowing the difference is valuable. That knowledge is scarce. Scarcity creates opportunity. Opportunity rewards preparation. Preparation starts with awareness. You are building that now. Stay connected for what comes next. Subscribe to keep learning. Ring the bell to stay informed. The shift has already started.